Hello again, I'm Michael with Joto Imaging Supplies, coming to you with another dye sublimation tutorial video. Today we'll be doing coasters, and these will be hardboard cork-back coasters, just a little under 4 inches square. So one of the first things about this is how you print it up and prepare it ahead of time. And I don't know if I've even mentioned this to everybody, but I've actually been making these particular coasters, the first things I ever dye sublimated, for about 16 years. I used to be a Joto customer before I came working for Joto, and I sourced all my coasters through Joto. So they come like this. They're white, cork back. Each one is individually packaged. The waste is a little bothersome, but it's actually quite fast to get them out of this. Some coasters, you know, will come with a peel coat. These don't require that because they come with this, and it is faster to get them out of this bag than it is to get the peel coat. All right, so the next thing is the paper. So I prepare my paper, you'll notice, with a rim. That's because this is not a full bleed item. With a full bleed item, it won't matter. But if you're using negative space and have an image that's going to, for example, be primarily text, or an image that is not full bleed, you're not going to be able to see to center your image. So what I do is when I prepare the templates for these images, I do this in Photoshop. I make it so that the image is slightly larger than the coaster itself, usually about 1/4 inch on each side, sometimes a little less, maybe 1/8 of an inch would be fine. And then I add what's called a stroke on the outside of the image. That will give me this border and help me center the coaster without seeing the image through it, because of course the coaster is not fully transparent. After that, now it's a simple matter of centering your coaster inside your border. Small piece of tape will do nicely. I like to make sure that my tape connects with the rim, the cork, and the paper. The idea is to keep the coaster from shifting on your paper, but also we don't want the coaster to shift so that it might get a little tape underneath it and hence block the image from getting through to the coaster itself. Now, you can see I have got a 6-up example already set up here for you. And from here, what we'll do is we'll treat this a little like a pizza pie. Give me a minute and we'll show you how that works. Here's a little pro tip for you. When you're beeping like this, you can close the press and then activate the button and that'll stop the beeping, or you can simply use a magnet and that should stop it. I keep a magnet handy for just such a thing. So we set our pressure. That's definitely too much, so let's bring it up. That might be close, but I think we'll bring it down a little bit. Oh, I think I've got it there. So this is going to be a medium pressure situation. What is medium pressure? That's something that you're going to find for yourself as you go along with practice. But the reality is that light pressure means that it closes like a dream, like almost no pressure at all. Medium pressure means that you do have to use some strength, but not a significant amount. And heavy pressure is usually like one hand, maybe even a second hand to give that final push. And then there's sort of the in-betweens, medium heavy, medium light, and so on. All right, as I said, this is going to be medium pressure. And what we're going to do is we're going to treat our piece like a pizza pie, huh? All right, so like a pizza pie, we're going to take, I'm using just anything I've got lying around that's got enough stiffness to handle it, and I'm getting that underneath. Then I'm taking something more solid, this is just a piece of metal that we've previously dye sublimated on, and throwing that on top. And why am I doing that? Well, that's because I have to, after taping it, I have to flip it. So now it's flipped and it's ready to go on the press 6 at a time. At home, I actually do these 12 at a time on a 13 by 19 inch sheet using my SG-1000 and the rear feed tray that allows you to go up to that higher paper size. All right, so now, like a pizza pie, we just slip it in like so. throw our butcher paper over, making sure that it's covering the coasters themselves. And then at 385 for 85 seconds, we should have a very nice press. Let's see how it goes. That's pretty good medium pressure, a little heavier than just standard medium, but not by enough that I'm worried about it. And with the coasters, there is quite a bit of play. It's actually, well, hard to screw them up, which is one of the advantages of dye sublimation. Hey, so we've got another 68 seconds. We'll see you then. Whoops. So our press has just gone ahead and popped on us without us seeing it, but hey, no problem. We're gonna get in underneath. And like a pizza pie, we're gonna bring it on over here. And then it's a simple matter of tearing it away. 1, 2, 3, and there are our results. As always, I'm using artwork by my wife, Olga. That's watercolor. That particular piece is called Majesty. Nice, vibrant, bright colors, and very easy to do. I'll let it cool, and then I'll tear that tape gently off the back, and they'll be ready to go. If you're doing a lot, I suggest you build yourself a bit of a cooling rack that allows you so that to keep moving and clear your space. Getting the tape off is really straightforward. Be gentle with it. You can theoretically, while it's still hot, tear some of the cork backing off with it. And also, while they're still hot, be careful not to drop them. When they're cool, they're actually incredibly resilient. You can clean them with rubbing alcohol. They last for years. I have customers come back and tell me how happy they are 5, 6, 7, even 8 years later. But while they're still hot, that top coat surface is still a little brittle. So if you drop it, you are possibly going to crack it just at the sides or corners, and that's unsightly. Other than that, this is a fantastic product that does incredibly well. It's so versatile, takes color so beautifully, and you'd be really surprised just how many people definitely utilize coasters in their everyday life. So that's it for our coasters today. Thank you so much for joining us again here at Joto Imaging Supplies. I'm Michael. If you like these kinds of videos, please like and subscribe. And hey, in the comments, let us know what you'd like to see us dye sublimate next. See you next time. And you'd be really surprised just how many people definitely utilize coasters in their everyday life. So that's it for our coasters today. Thank you so much for joining us again here at Joto Imaging Supplies. I'm Michael. If you like these kinds of videos, please like and subscribe. And hey, in the comments, let us know what you'd like to see us dye sublimate next. See you next time.